So we got the 2015 Chrysler 200S with the V6 VVT. We doing a radiator replacement. In order to do this, you gotta take this whole entire bumper off with bumper cover, headlights, and this top piece. First, we want to start by taking out these pop screws all the way across the top. We're gonna use this. After you get them off, you know what I'm saying, you gotta, there's gonna be some 10mm bolts up under there. Let me get back to you with that. Alright, so we got this cover off. Now we going for 15 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Knock them all out. Top of this bumper cover will be loose. And you want to get to the bottom of it. Alright, so when you go to take these bumper cover bolts off, pay attention to the size of them. This one long, that one short. Now this one, in particular, has a bracket under it. Pay attention to that. If you pull it out and it drop, make sure you put it back where it goes. It's a medium bone. You got a short one. You got another short one. You got another one inside of a bracket. And that bracket fell down. So make sure you get that bracket back where it needs to be before you put that bolt back in. You got a long one. You got a short one. Then you want to come on both sides of the tire. You got 3 8mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. After you take those 3 off, those out. You'll be able to get this out the way so you can get this last one here, which is T30, and it's at an angle, so the angle going down, like move this out the way, so the angle like that. So you get that one out. After you get that one out, then you'll get back to you on how to pop this bumper off. Alright, so after you get that last one out right there, take that screwdriver, set it in between there right there, and separate it a little bit. It's a hard angle to show y'all, but get up in there, separate it just a little bit. I might need 2 hands to do this, but you're gonna hear a click. You don't want to hear a pop. It's gonna be this one disconnecting, and then after that you'll just be able to grab it, pull it out, and it should pop out. Just do the other side like that. But try to show you. I'm gonna go from the inside so you don't mess up a paint job. This up in there. Just pop that out. Okay, then after you get those out, so you'll stick the screwdriver in between the gap there, and then pull it out on here. And you'll come all the way around, come around to the front, grab around, like right around here, like that, pull straight out on it. And then this side will come out, you got your electrical wires and whatnot, so don't let those get too stressed out. And then come on the other side, same with the cubby hole, grab it, pull it, and your bumper is off. And go to your electric connectors, all of them over here. So set that down, try not to scratch it up too much. And they all connected right here. Boop. Right there. So you push that red tab down, and then there's a button on it. You'll push that button in and disconnect it. Okay. Okay, so in order to disassemble this, the electrical component from the bumper, you'll push this red tab down while it's connected, and then it's a button on the side of here. You'll push that in while you pull down on the connectors. This is the other connector. And that's how you disconnect the electrical components from the bumper from the car.